Good day. You're here again today with Joseph Talbot, real estate broker of the beautiful southern Georgian Bay area in Ontario. Today we want to talk to you about insurance and the need to get insurance when you're purchasing a home. Your lawyer, who will close the deal typically, will need to prove to your mortgage company that you have insurance, because they won't fund the mortgage unless you do actually have insurance. Some of the things that your insurance company is going to ask you is, how old's your home, how far are you from the fire department, where's the nearest fire hydrant, how old's your roof, what kind of material it is. They'll ask you about your electrical panel, how big is your electrical panel, like how many amps is it. If it's less than 100, sometimes the insurance companies are reluctant to give you insurance on it. They want you to upgrade it. Sometimes they'll give you a time period after you purchase it to fix it, to replace it. Other things they'll ask you is what kind of plumbing do you have, what kind of water supply, what kind of waste pipes do you have, and there's issues that go with all that. You'll have to check back at more blogs, and we go over some of that stuff as well. Some of the other things they'll ask you for is, do you know of any structural damage, environmental problems. They'll ask you if there's been any flooding or any roof leakage. They'll also ask you if there's any outstanding work orders, permits, building permits, bylaw infractions, anything you know about. One thing is make sure you're 100% upfront and honest with the insurance company when getting prices. So, because you want to get a couple of prices, because you want to make sure you get the best deal and the best coverage for your needs. So you want to make sure you check that. The other thing, a lot of people check with their own car insurance company to get a quote for the home insurance, which is a good idea. It's a great idea, but also check with other companies. The other thing is make sure that after you purchase your home, make sure you tell them about any improvements you make, like say you put in a pool, or you put in decks, or you redo your kitchen and put a $25,000 or $50,000 kitchen in. You want to make sure you're covered for it. The other thing is, if you finish your basement, you put an addition on, or you build a garage, all these things you want to make sure that they're covered. So make sure you contact your insurance company even after you purchase the home and you do these improvements. Your rates might go up a little bit, but it's worth it if you ever have a problem. You want to make sure that you know you're covered whenever you have to make a claim. So anyways, just want to give you a good place to start. So if you have any questions whatsoever about insurance or other issues when it comes to real estate and building or property management, by all means give me a call. It's Joseph Talbot, real estate broker in the beautiful southern Georgian Bay area. Thanks again. Have yourself a great day.